Creating charts and graphs from data in a Google Spreadsheet. How to do it step by step is what I'll show you in this video. Google Workspace is a suite of useful applications that include Gmail, Google Docs, Slides, and Google Sheets. Google Sheets is similar to Microsoft Excel. To go to Google Sheets, go to Gmail, and in the upper right corner is a button with 9 dots. Click that button, and a panel with all the Google Workspace applications opens up. Select Sheets, and that will take you to a spreadsheet similar to Microsoft Excel. I have 2 columns. Column A has months of the year. Column B has numbers. In order to generate a chart from this data in these 2 columns, select the data in the 2 columns, then go to Insert and Chart. Google Sheets will immediately generate a chart for you. On the x-axis at the bottom, you have the months of the year, and on the y-axis, on the left side, you have the numbers in column B. In the upper right corner of the chart are 3 buttons. Click the 3 buttons and you get the option to edit chart, delete chart, download, copy chart. When you click Edit Chart, you get several options in a panel on the right side of Google Sheets. So right now we have a column chart, but I would like to get a line chart. Even better than that, you can smooth out the line, smooth line chart. You can also put color underneath the line. You have, in the chart editor, you have setup and you have customize. When you click customize, you can change the background color. You can put a title on the chart. And change and adjust various settings on the chart. Also, right-clicking the chart gives you options to play around with. We can also copy this chart and then paste it into other applications. Go to the 3 buttons in the upper right corner, click that, click Copy Chart, and then you can paste it into Google Docs, either with a link or unlink. You can paste it into Google's Slide application. Going back to the chart, if you change the numbers in the column, it will automatically change it on the chart. So I'm going to change the number in B2 cell from 100 to, I'm going to put 1,000. And then all of a sudden the chart will immediately change as soon as you change the numbers. We can also paste the chart into Microsoft Word. And we can paste it into a PowerPoint slide. And that's how you create a chart using Google Sheets.